Hello, welcome to your speaking test today for Academy Stars 1, Unit 7 and 8. So, are you ready? Yes. Yes, but before we start, can you introduce yourself? What is your name? My name is Mina. And how old are you, Mina? 7 years old. You are 7. And how are you today? Are you happy or sad today? I'm happy. You are happy today. So, are you ready with your speaking test? Yeah. Yeah, so let's begin. Okay, so your speaking test has 4 parts. So let's begin with the first part. Okay, so here you will identify the objects. You will answer the number 1, 4, 5, 8, and 9 for girls. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Yes. Okay, where is the girl's head? Number 1. Number 1. Wow, good job. How about the girl's leg? Number 8. How about the girl's hand? Number 4. Number 4. Where is the girl's skirt? Where is the girl's skirt? Number number 5. Good job. How about the girl's shoes? Wow. Okay, let's move on to the boy. Where is the boy's ear? Number 3. Okay. Where is the boy's trousers? Number 7. Where is the boy's t-shirt? Wow, good job. How about the boy's cup? Cup. Number 2. Okay, and last is where is the boy's socks? Number 10. Wow, good job, Mina, for the first part. So let's move on to the second part of your speaking test. So, Mina, can you tell me what is this? Wow, what is the color? Okay, and is it for boys or for girls? The pink hat is for girls or for boys? For girls. So you can move it. Can you put it on the girl's head? Okay, okay. Good job, Mina. How about this? What's this? Jumper. And what's this? Jacket. Yes, that's a jacket. What is the color? Yes. Is it for girls or for boys? Okay. Good job, Mina. And this is shoes. Okay. What is the color of the shoes? Okay, it's purple. Is it for girls or for boys? Okay. How about this? What's this? It's a yes, dress. Okay. Dress is for girls or for boys? Okay, can you move it? Okay, great job, Mina. And this is yes, that's an eyeglass. Okay, so what is the color? Pink. Okay, pink eyeglass is for girls or for boys? Uh, you can move it by clicking the arrow here. Okay. Okay, good job. And this is for girls or for boys? Okay, can you see the arrow here? Can use the arrow. Oh, sorry. Here. Can you move it? Here. Okay. And the last one, Mina? Shoes for boys or for girls? Okay, can you move it? Okay, wow, great job, Mina. Good job for the second part of your speaking test. Let's move on to the third part. So here you will answer picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4. So which one is different? Or which one is not for girls? Picture, picture 3. Yes, that's the answer. Yes, very good, Mina. How about this? Which one is not for boys? Yes, not for boys. Picture 2. Wow. Okay, next. Which one is not a body part? Is it picture 1, picture 2, 3, or 4? Picture 1. Okay, next. Which one is not clothes? Yes, picture 4. Okay, very good, Mina. And last is which one is not winter clothes? Picture 3. Wow, great job, Mina. So let's move to the last part of your speaking test. Let's answer the questions. The first question is, what are you wearing today? Time and trousers today. And what do you wear in winter? Now, what do you usually wear in winter? Yeah, it's cold in winter. So what clothes do you wear? Okay, I wear mhm, jumper and ja jacket. Yes, and jackets in winter. How about in summer? Now, what clothes do you wear in summer? I wear I wear mhm, skirt. Yeah, skirt and oh, it's summer. It's so hot outside. So it's so hot inside outside. Yeah. So what clothes do you wear? Skirt and t-shirt in summer. Okay, very good. Have you got short or long hair? I have got long hair. Okay. Who is your friend in the classroom? My friend Elsa. And what is Elsa wearing today? She is wearing jumper and trousers today. And does your mom wear dresses? Yes, your mom. Does she wear dresses? Yes, yes, she does. Okay. What does your dad wear in winter? Yes, your dad. He he wears he wears jacket and trousers in 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 winter. Okay, good job, Mina. Job well done. Keep on practicing. You did a great job today. Okay, before we end your speaking test, let's say goodbye. Yes, bye. Keep on practicing, Mina. That's the end of all.